Hello friends, let's solve today this interesting math Olympiad problem. A and B are integers, and we have this equation a squared plus ab plus b squared equal 49. And we need to find a and b. So let's start. First, let's look at this formula. A plus b squared equal a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Let's subtract ab from both sides of this formula. Then we will get a plus b squared minus ab equal a squared plus b squared plus ab. As you can notice, the right side of this formula is exactly the same as our left side of our equation. So we can simply use this expression instead of this expression. Then we will get a plus b squared minus ab equal 49. Then let's move 49 to the left side and minus ab to the right side. Then we will get a plus b squared minus 7 squared, which is 49, equal ab. Now let's use this formula. X squared minus y squared equal x minus y multiplied by x plus y. So in our case, x is a plus b and y is 7. Then if we use this formula, we will get a plus b minus 7 multiplied by a plus b plus 7, and everything equal ab. So now we have a multiplication of two brackets, and we know that multiplication of these two brackets should be equal a multiplied by b. So there are following possible solutions. The first solution is if this bracket equal a and this bracket equal b, then if we multiply them, we'll get ab. The second solution, now this bracket equal b and this bracket equal a. And again, if we multiply them, we'll get ab. The third solution, if the first bracket equal 1 and the second bracket equal ab. And if we multiply them, we'll get ab. And the fourth solution, the first bracket equal ab and the second bracket equal 1. And again, if we multiply them, we'll get ab. So let's check these solutions step by step. Starting from the first one, a plus b minus 7 equal a plus b plus 7 equal b. A on the left side and a on the right side cancel each other. Then we'll get that b equal 7. In the second equation, b on the right side and b on the left side also cancel each other. Then we'll get that a equal minus 7. So let's check this answer. If we put minus 7 instead of a, we'll get 49 here. Then here we'll get minus 7 multiplied by 7, it will be minus 49. So this 49 and this minus 49 will be 0. And b squared will be 49. So this answer is correct. Now let's check the second solution. A plus b minus 7 equal b. And a plus b plus 7 equal a. And from here we can find that b equal minus 7 and a equal 7. If we put these answers to our equation, we will get that these answers are also correct. Now let's check the third solution. A plus b minus 7 equal 1. A plus b plus 7 equal ab. If we add 7 to the both sides of this equation, here we'll get 0 and here we'll get 8. Then let's put this expression to our second equation. Then we'll get 8 plus 7 equal ab. Then ab equal 15. From here we can find a. It will be 15 divided by b. Then let's put this a to here. Then we'll get 15 divided by b plus b equal 8. Then let's multiply this equation, the left side and the right side, by b. Then we'll get 15 plus b squared equal 8b. Then we'll get b squared minus 8b plus 15 equals 0. To solve this equation, we are going to use quadratic formula. In our case, m equal 1, n equal minus 8, and c equal plus 15. So if we put these values to this formula, then we'll get 8 plus minus square root. Inside of square root we have 64 minus 4 multiplied by 15, and everything divided by 2. Minus 4 multiplied by 15, it will be 60. 64 minus 60 will be 4. Square root of 4 will be 2. So here we have 2. So as you can see here, we have two solutions, plus and minus. So let's check first if it's plus. A plus 2 will be 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. So b equal 5, then a will be 3. Because if b equal 5, we can put here 5, and 15 divided by 5 will be 3. Let's check this answer. If we sum these values, we'll get 49. So this answer is correct. Now let's check the second solution. 8 minus 2, it will be 6. 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. Then a will be 5. So if we put these values to our equation, we also can find out that this answer is also correct. So both answers are correct. Now let's check the fourth solution. A plus b minus 7 equal ab. A plus b plus 7 equal 1. From here we can find a plus b. It will be minus 6. Then we are going to put this a plus b to our first equation here. Then we'll get minus 6 minus 7 equal ab. Then ab equal minus 13. Then a equal minus 13 divided by b. Then let's put a value to this equation. Then we'll get minus 13 divided by b plus b equal minus 6. Then let's multiply both sides of this equation by b. Then we'll get minus 13 plus b squared equal minus 6b. Then it will be equal b squared plus 6b minus 13 equals 0. And to solve this equation, we are going to use again this formula. In this case, m equal 1, n equal 6, and c equal minus 13. Then if we put these values to this formula, we will get minus 6 plus minus common square root. Inside of common square root we have 36 minus 4 multiplied by minus 13. And everything divided by 2. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 13, it will be 52. 36 plus 52 will be 88. And square root of 88 is not integer value. So this solution we cannot use, because in the beginning of the problem we stated that a and b are integers. So this solution we cannot use. Now let's look for another possible solution. What if ab equals 0? In this case, it is either a equals 0 or b equals 0. Both of them cannot be 0, because if we look at our equation, if both of them are 0, then we cannot get 49, because this entire left side will be 0. So the solution should be either a is 0 or b 0. So if ab equals 0, it means one of these brackets is 0, either this one or this one. So let's check. If a equals 0 here, then we will get that b minus 7 equals 0. Or if this term equals 0, then we will get b plus 7 equals 0. Then we will get, in this case, b equals 7, in this case b equal minus 7. So let's check these answers. If a equals 0, the a squared will be 0, ab also will be 0, then we will get only b squared. And if we use this one, we'll get 49. If we use minus 7, it will be also 49. So these both answers are correct. Now let's check the situation if b equals 0. Then for the first bracket, we'll get a minus 7 because b is equals 0. We'll get only a minus 7 equals 0. And for the second bracket, we'll get a plus 7 equals 0. Then for this case, a equals 7, and for this case, a equals minus 7. These answers are also correct. So we have found 8 answers for this equation. Leave in a comment if you were able to find these 8 answers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more math videos.